Welcome to our delicious corn salad journey. Today, we will explore 5 tasty corn salad recipes you can make easily at home. First, the Mexican street corn salad. This salad uses grilled corn, creamy mayo, lime zest and juice, garlic, scallions, cotija cheese, cilantro, smoked paprika, jalapeño, and a pinch of sea salt. The corn is grilled to get a smoky flavor, then mixed with a tangy, creamy dressing for a fresh, spicy taste. Perfect for summer picnics. Next, the creamy corn salad. This salad blends sweet corn with red bell pepper, purple onion, jalapeno, Greek yogurt, mayo, garlic powder, and cilantro. It's chilled in the fridge to let the flavors mix well. It's creamy, cool, and perfect for potlucks or summer gatherings. Third, the fresh summer corn salad. This version includes grilled or boiled corn, red onion, red bell pepper, avocado, and a light dressing made with olive oil, apple cider vinegar, sugar, Dijon mustard and lime juice. The avocado adds creaminess, and the dressing is fresh and tangy. Fourth, the classic Mexican corn salad. Here, corn kernels are sautéed in butter and garlic until golden. They are combined with a creamy mix of mayo, sour cream, lime juice, Parmesan cheese, onion, fresh cilantro, and jalapeno. This salad is rich, flavorful, and great as a side dish for BBQs or Mexican meals. Finally, a simple corn and vegetable salad. Fresh corn is combined with colorful veggies like tomatoes, cucumbers, and green onions, dressed with olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. It's a bright, refreshing salad that pairs well with any meal. Try these easy corn salads to enjoy sweet, juicy corn in delicious new ways. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment your favorite salad, and subscribe for more tasty recipes every week.